Getting hyped at 7:30 in the morning. It's not easy, but look what we have here. We got an R34. We're going out to AFE, and we're gonna go support. We're gonna go support their cars and coffee. AFE sponsors that guy over there. They've hooked me up with a bunch of parts. They've always taken care of me, so going to their cars and coffees is the least we can do. Getting up at 7:30 in the morning wasn't easy, but we're gonna go over and have fun. We're gonna take you guys along for the ride. At the same time, we're taking the R34 out, so that'll be going to the show as well. R34 is not mine. I have a 33. 34 belongs to my buddy Ace. He said, Daniel, take my car out while your 33 is down. So we're gonna take the 34 out. What I didn't tell Ace is that Mitch is gonna be driving. Just kidding. Mitch and Ace are good buddies, butt buddies. So Mitch is gonna drive that. I'm gonna drive the truck. We're gonna head over there. Should be a good time. Come with us. What's up, guys? So we just made it to the meet. I'm Cannon, by the way, if you didn't know. But let's get on to them.
Dude, this thing's freaking sweet, man.
Thank you, man.
It looks super good driving around.
How did you drive, Mitch?
That's cool. He hit the windshield wiper a couple times.
Dang.
Tell the truth.
I told you.
Tell the truth, bro.
So the only thing with this car is that the wipers are on the other side. So when I was looking over my shoulder, turning my blinker on, I looked forward to see wipers and kind of freaked myself out a little bit. But other than that, we're good. It's real fine.
Let's go get donuts.
Okay.
Coming to AFE is always an enjoyable time. If you guys ever get a chance, come to one of their cars and coffee. Really, really cool. But let's get back to the shop. We got a lot of work to do. Bam! What up, guys? We're back at the shop today. We are going to be wrapping the R34's roof. So the R34 has a little oxidation on the top of the roof, and the owner of the car, Ace, our good friend Ace, our inside buyer from a couple days ago at the vlog where I went and bought the 33, that's his car. So it has a little oxidation. He wants to prevent that from continuing to happen. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap it in gloss black, see what it looks like, because ultimately we decided, we're like, we don't know what it's gonna look like, we've never seen it done before. Let's just do it, see if it looks good. If it looks good, he's gonna keep it. If not, we'll take it off. Let's get in there, let's wrap the roof. We'll show you how to do an R34 roof wrap. I can't do it with the heat gun anymore because somebody got really mad. They're like, Smokey the Bear says don't play with fire. So I'll play with water.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Hey, cameraman can't laugh. You gotta hold it together, bro. Alright guys, today we got the Subaru in. We're gonna be doing a smoke headlights on it. We're gonna put a premium windshield banner. We're gonna be doing a gloss black roof wrap. We'll also come back to the rear. Back to the rear. Gonna do a gloss black on the wings. We also have some, I think they're Perrin carbon fiber wing risers. So we'll be putting those in. We'll do an install on those. And then also I think some decals are going on the side and a smoke taillight set. So the car's gonna go through like mild changes, but it's really gonna be an impactful look change. So does that make sense? That makes sense. It's gonna look dope. We're gonna make it look dope. So stay tuned.
What's up, guys? So we're starting on the roof wrap on this R34 Skyline. This is a really dope car. I actually just got to pull that in right now. It's right-hand drive, so that was super weird. It was my first time ever driving a right-hand drive car, but I'm getting distracted. Anyway, back to the roof wrap. Right now I just got the roof completely drenched in water and soap solution that we have, and I'm just using this clay bar here, and then we're gonna take care of the clay bar and prepping process. And then once I'm done with that, we're gonna get ready to lay some knifeless and then do the roof, and this car is gonna look super dope.
What's going on, dude? What are you doing? I am doing good.
How's the hair doing?
It's hurt. It hurts. It's really tight. Feel it. No, right here. It's like a helmet.
No, I'm actually very mean to people I love the most. Okay, that word is like that's like the word that's moist to you. I hate that word. You don't say shit like that.
You said voice?
No, he said
Back to the rap room. Go this way.
So we're just finishing up this roof wrap. I gotta lay the other side, pull the knifeless, and this roof wrap's basically gonna be done. Now back over to my boys working on the WX back there. And wait, is that STI? Yeah. Back over there to my boys working on the STI, and then I'm sure you guys will see the finished product in a bit.
So we got the wing deck wrapped, and we also have the supports that we're supposed to be throwing on. Basically what I did, if you do the wing supports, they actually wrap up on the back. So if you were to do those first and do this after, you would actually have to do cutouts. So instead, just make it look clean. We're gonna do that first, and then throw those inserts on, so we can get those knocked out.
There's no guarantee. I see everybody hazy. No one here to faze me. I'm crowding with myself. Stunning visions of the fairies running through the prairies, lifted by the sun.
So we're all finished with the roof now. Everything looks great. It's all cleaned up. Looks like glass. I mean, this car just looks way cooler now.
That was it. That was empty this time. It's on.
I used to be kinda sane. I used to act kinda normal. I couldn't complain. Now it's never the same. I found myself picking pieces of my scattered brain. Look what you've done to me, my insanity. Oh baby, hey, I wish that I was a madman. So bad maybe I wouldn't fall for you, because you make me a madman. I lose it all when I'm with you.
Do you like it?
It's amazing. Looks great.
Thank you, brother. Thanks for
Thanks,
letting us do it.
man. I appreciate, total different car, total
All the
change.
little things brought it together, right?
Definitely.
Bam! All right, let's just review what we did today. We did the roof wrap on the Subi. We also did a windshield banner to the Premium Auto Styling Stealth banner. If you guys want a stealth banner, comment below. I'm gonna give one away. Comment Premium Fam. Give us like 200 or 300 comments of the Premium Fam. We'll randomly select a couple people, send out a stealth banner to you. If you guys do want to get one, available on the website. It's a shameless plug, but we appreciate the support, guys. Thank you, guys. We also did the smoke headlights, smoke taillights, installed these guys, wrapped the wing deck. We also installed these here, 3 wing risers. Over to the R34. The guys killed it on this. They knocked it out super fast, but it looks really good. I was kind of concerned. I was like, is this gonna look cool? You know, taking an old Japanese car and putting a black roof wrap on it? I guess that sounds weird. It looks dope. It's sick. Gloss black roof wrap. I mentioned before, this roof started to have a little oxidation on it. So in order to preserve it a little bit more, prevent the sun from beating down on it, we just wrapped right over it. There's no texture showing through, which I was worried about. I thought that maybe we're gonna have to sand some of the texture off. We didn't have to do that. So we didn't have to mess with the paint at all. We just clay barred the surface and wrapped the roof. And it looks really good. Take a look at it.
Enchiladas con queso, man. Look at the color of that.
So you don't think these reds are the same?
No.
That's bright tomato red. This is like more of like a fire red.
Enchilada sauce, I said.
And then what is this?
This is like tomato.
Tomato. Tomato. He's like, this is a tomato.